Chapter 4. More about Excel. Children, you have already learned the basic features of Excel in your previous classes. It is one of the most popular spreadsheet applications that helps you in storing, organizing, and analyzing data in a systematic way. It can be used anywhere for any kind of work, such as from simple mathematical calculations to billing, from huge data management to various business tasks, and so on. Due to its endless advantages, it is very important to learn to work with Excel. In this chapter, you will learn about working with worksheets and cells. Working with worksheet. Worksheet is the basic work area in the workbook. It is also known as spreadsheet. By default, a workbook contains only one worksheet named Sheet 1. You can add, delete worksheets according to your requirement. Let's study about it. Inserting a worksheet. To insert a worksheet, follow these steps. Click on the New Sheet button or on the Home tab, click on the Insert option from the Cells group and further select Insert Sheet from the submenu list. Or right-click on the Sheet tab and select Insert option. A dialog box will open. Select Worksheet and click on OK. A new blank worksheet will be appeared in the workbook. Deleting a worksheet. To delete a worksheet, follow these steps. Place the mouse pointer on the worksheet which you want to delete. Right-click on the worksheet, then select Delete from the Worksheet menu. Or, on the Home tab, select Delete option from the Cells group and further select Delete Sheet from the submenu list. The worksheet will be deleted from your workbook. Working with cells. Whenever you work with Excel, you will enter information or content into cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of a worksheet. You will need to learn the basics of cells and cell content to calculate, analyze, and organize data in Excel. Selecting cells. To select a single cell, when you want to input or edit cell content, you will first need to select the cell. To select the cell, follow these steps. Click on the cell to select it. A border will appear around the selected cell. The column heading and row heading will be highlighted. The cell will remain selected until you click another cell in the worksheet. You can also select cells using the arrow keys on your keyboard. To select a range of cells. Sometimes you may want to select a large group of cells or a cell range. To select a cell range, follow these steps. Click, hold, and drag the mouse until all of the adjoining cells you want to select are highlighted. Release the mouse to select the desired cell range. The cells will remain selected until you click another cell in the worksheet. To select a single row or column. To select a single row or column, click on the row or column header respectively. To select an entire worksheet. To select the entire worksheet, click on Select All button at the top left corner of the worksheet. You can also press Ctrl+A keys to select the entire worksheet. Inserting cell content. Any information you enter into a spreadsheet will be stored in a cell. Each cell can contain different types of contents, including text formulas and functions, etc. To insert content, follow these steps. Click a cell to select it. Type content into the selected cell, then press Enter key on your keyboard. The content will appear in the cell and formula bar. You can also input and edit cell content from the formula bar. Editing data in a cell. The data which you enter in the cell can be modified in two ways: by replacing the content of a cell with the new value, by partially modifying the cell content. Replacing the content of a cell with the new value. To replace the content of a cell with the new value, follow these steps. Select the cell containing data to be replaced. Start typing the new content. Press Enter key or tick button in the formula bar. The data will be replaced. Partially modifying the cell content. To partially modify the cell content, follow these steps. Double-click in the cell or press F2 key on the keyboard. The cursor will appear in the cell. Move the cursor at the desired place and change the content. Please enter key, tick button in the formula bar. The data will be modified. Deleting cell content. To delete cell content, follow these steps. Select the cell whose content you want to delete. Press Delete or backspace key on your keyboard. The cell's contents will be deleted. Copying and moving cell content. To copy cell content, Excel allows you to copy cell content that is already entered into your spreadsheet and paste that content into other cells, which can save your time and effort. To copy and paste cell content, follow these steps. Select the cells you want to copy. On the Home tab, click on the Copy command or press Ctrl+C keys on your keyboard. Select the cells where you want to paste the content. The copied cells will now have a dashed box around them. On the Home tab, click on the Paste command or press Ctrl+V keys on your keyboard. The content will be pasted into the selected cells. To move cell content, unlike copying and pasting, which duplicates cell content, cutting allows you to move content between cells. To cut and paste cell content, follow these steps. Select the cells you want to cut. On the Home tab, click on the Cut command or press Ctrl+X keys on your keyboard. Select the cells where you want to paste the content. On the Home tab, click on the Paste command or press Ctrl+V keys on your keyboard. The content will be removed from the original cells and pasted into the selected cells.